what's up everyone? So today I'm just gonna do some guess the silent word ASMR. Hey, thank you for this ASMR content. Shout out. And guess the silent word ASMR. And you should guys check her out. The channel is KTPU ASMR. It is from her the guess the silent word, I think, or everyone else. So thank you for letting me use this content ideas. So I hope this time my words in my mouth, that my voice in my mouth are sync together. So this is my second time filming. So I'm just gonna say that 10 words, and about the 10 words is have a easy level, medium level, and the hard level. So the easy level, the easy words that will comes to your mind, that easy to guess. The second level is the medium, it's kinda balance, and the hard level is the word some you guys probably heard a few times. So that will that sometimes you heard about the words, and it's kinda long words pronounce, yeah, like that. So the first one, level 1, easy. So gonna go with hey, you guess that's right. It is ASMR. And that was a piece, easy. So for our number 2 easy level, let's go. Hey, hear that? Okay, one more time. Okay, you got that. It is a relax. And for our third level up easy, let's go. Another one. Oh, you guessed that right. It is a tingle. It is tingle or tinkle. I think this is a tingle. Yeah, tingle. So my buds. And for our fourth time of easy level. Hey. Let's go. Hey, here's that clue. Okay, one more time. Hey, you guys, that's right. It is mic tapping. And for our medium level, let's go. So I'm just gonna say again, let's go. Hey, you guys, that's right. It is good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. And for our medium level, another one is right? One more time, one more time. Hey, you guessed that right. It is a coconut rain, coconut rain, coconut rain, coconut rain, coconut rain, coconut rain. And for our another video ASMR level, let's go. Hey, one more time, one more time. Hey, you guessed that right. It is peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter, peanut butter. And for our 3 heart levels, so I'm gonna give you some clues. So next one is it's kinda you think. Hey, for clue, it is what I'm saying on our videos and on our descriptions down below. So one more time. Hey, I think you guessed that right. It is always take care, always take care, always take care, always take care, always take care. So, and for our second heart remaining levels, let's go. It is another word of I'm saying in on every videos and down description below. So that is the clue. So I'm just gonna say again. Hey, guys, that's right. It is have a good night. 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 So for our last hard level. This is gonna be so hard, everyone. So listen. I mean, yeah, kinda listen and see what words coming out of my mouth. Let's go. Hey, you want some glue? It is from you. So let's go. One more time. Hey, one last time. Hey, you guys, that right? Thank you for you guys. It is thank you for you guys, for you everyone. So the word is thank you for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this. Guess the silent word ASMR. Yeah. Give a like and shout out again. Shout out for this content idea and shout out to the creators that produce this idea ASMR content idea. Thank you for letting me use this content. And thank you. Relax everyone, relax. Peace out.